There we go. There we go. Oh. Alright, before you start to scream, Daddy's got the camera out. Quick, get me the towel ready here.
This towel?
Towel that's
I don't know what I'm doing.
There you go. Open it up, Daddy. Put the camera down. Lay it on the toilet before you get your shower. There we go. We'll be better prepared for that first bath next time.
Well, it won't be the first bath.
Okay.
Well, stop projectile pooping.
Now let's get a diaper on him quick. Oops. I dropped the diaper I was going to use. Okay. I think actually that's the one I took off of him.
No.
It had some poops in it.
Alright, emergency scenario movie over.